In this video, I'll show you how to use all-in-one SEO's search statistics to increase your ranking and search of a new feature. So maybe you haven't seen it before. This is pulling in information from Google Search Console, but what makes it so powerful is we're pulling in a subset of information that is specifically geared towards improving your SEO. Let's dive in and take a look. Right now I'm on the dashboard. The first section we see here is SEO statistics. So this shows me how well my site is doing in search. It's telling me I got 906,000 impressions from search, 7,000 total clicks. There's information about the click-through rate in your average position. Below that, we have our keyword rankings. That's telling me I'm doing great for landscaping ideas, plant, nursery, lawn. If I click on this winning losing tab here, I can see our top winning keywords and our top losing keywords. Just at a glance, I can tell that if I have any content about a rose garden, there's a good opportunity for me here to improve the SEO of that content and rank better for rose garden. On the other column, we have keyword position. So this is just kind of telling me at a glance in a really nice color-coded way where the majority of my keywords are ranking in the search engine result pages. So I'm seeing a lot of orange here, which is position 11 through 50. I'd like to see a lot of blue, which are the top 3 positions, but we can just get a real good idea at a glance of how our content is doing by looking at this graph. This next section is the post optimization section. It's going to tell me which of my posts need improvement, which are okay, and which are doing good for me. The pertinent information here is it's saying that 33 of my 34 posts are without a focus key phrase. So that's a very quick win for me here. I could just open up those pages, give them a focus key phrase, and start optimizing for that key phrase. Below that, we have the content performance. So this first tab here, top pages, is telling me which pieces of content are doing the best. My index page is getting 862 clicks. And then beyond that, this page I have called How to Garden. It's getting 471 clicks. If I click on the top winning tab, I can see which pieces of my content are performing best. And then the real gem in this content performance report is this top losing tab. This tells me which pieces of content are losing the most ground. We can see this first one, Gardening for Beginners, is down 21,000 points. The points are assigned by our proprietary algorithm, which weights the content on a bunch of different factors. So a simple example would be if you had 2 pieces of content that both slid 10 positions in the search engine result pages, but one of them was bringing in 3,000 clicks a month, and the other one was bringing in 300. The one that was bringing in 3,000 would appear much higher in this report. If I go back up to the tabs up top, the first tab we see is SEO statistics. So if I click on that, we can see those stats from the dashboard: search impressions, total clicks, average click-through rate, and average position. And below that, we can dig in deeper to that content's performance report. Again, all top losing and top winning, I would focus on top losing. That's where the biggest opportunities are. The next tab is keyword rankings. So this is a little bit different from the content report in that this is not talking about your specific content, but about specific keywords. So we can see, for example, here, I'm ranked number 6 for when to plant tomatoes. And again, like with some of the other reports, I can check out my top winning and top losing terms. The next tab is content rankings. What's unique about this tab is it gives you a graph here of a 12-month rolling period and shows you when you are at your peak. This 12-month period of data we're seeing now is from April 2022 to March 2023, and we can see with this first example how to garden that. Our peak was back in June 2022, and it's kind of been in steady decline since then. So this is a great opportunity to work on the SEO of this page. That what makes this search statistics feature so powerful is that all this information is right here.